Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Robbie, and today we're doing something a little bit different. We're not going to be doing life hacks or crafts or anything of that nature today. We're going to be reacting to When Everything Goes Wrong by 5-Minute Crafts Beans. This is a little bit different of a video, so if you guys don't like it, make sure to tell me down below. If you guys do like it, make sure to tell me down below. And also give this video a big ol' thumbs up. Anyway, let's see what happens when everything goes wrong. Okay, when everything goes wrong. Oh no! Don't you hate it when this happens to you? Honestly, this never happens to me because I live in Vegas and it never freaking rains here. Unlucky or clumsy? I feel like it's not really her fault. Like, you can't blame that on her. Oh no! That's happened to me so many times. I'll just have like my backpack on and then I'll lean over and I'll accidentally leave it open and then all my stuff will fall out and I'm like, Anyway, isn't that hashtag so relatable? Okay, so what's even going on here? I don't even know what's going on. Okay, we'll see. That was just straight up like eye contact for so long. Why was there so much eye contact involved? And she just stood there. She was just standing there for like a solid like 5 seconds. Did she not know what's going on? You walk into the bathroom. What do you think is gonna happen? Like if I see someone in the bathroom, I instantly close the door. Who like just sits there and just like makes straight up eye contact with people? That's kind of weird. Gross! Don't you hate that? Okay, she's eating a cookie, and then it falls. And then she's like, oh, no one's watching. Okay, so I'm a big fan of the 5-second rule. I'm guilty of eating a lot of stuff off the ground, and then admittedly, I'll get kind of sick later. Kids, you probably shouldn't do that. I don't think it's very good for you. Anyway, let's see what happens. So she picks up the cookie, still looking around, make sure no one's watching. You just looked around like 5 times to see if anyone was watching, and there was straight up someone watching right in front of you. Like, how do you not notice that person? I don't understand. She's just so grossed out because she has to dig through the trash to find her phone. I mean, at that point, would you just get a new phone? I feel like some people would. I wouldn't. I feel like that's just a huge waste of money. People are so funny sometimes. How many of you guys have actually thrown stuff away by accident? I used to do that all the time. One time my friend Rusty threw away his retainer, like the thing that goes in your mouth after you get braces, and he had to like go digging in the trash for it for like forever. And his mom ended up boiling it and then ruining the retainer, and it was like $3,000 to replace. Doesn't that suck? So she's just cleaning. Oh my gosh. What is with this guy? Why does he keep watching her so closely? You have work to do, man. Why don't you do your work? Why are you watching her? That's so weird. Oh man, the big moment. Wow. Wow. So we're tying our shoes, and then all of a sudden, your phone goes off. Why is she, like, I don't understand. Does she not want to, like, walk in her house with, like, her shoes? Her shoe looks pretty clean to me. Look at the bottom. There's no gum or anything in the bottom. Why does it matter? Those are pristine white shoes. Like, they look brand new. So she's sweeping, and then she's singing, and then she's like, yeah, ooh. And then there's this guy again. Oh, this is a different guy. But this guy's, like, why are all these people just watching her? Why is that cringy? Yeah, like, you've never done that before. Come on, man. No. You can't be pretending like you've never done this before. We all know this guy, like, sings in the shower. Come on. Sand? What's so bad about sand? What could possibly go wrong with sand? You got all that sand in your shoe from stepping on sand once. That's not how it works. Did they just like get like a bucket? Did they just completely filled her shoe before they did this? So she's eating ice cream. Oh, that's gonna end up being bird poop, isn't it? That's totally bird poop. That's so gross. I'm actually gonna puke right now. Have you guys ever been pooped on by a bird? I have, and it's not fun. Like, it happened to me at Warped Tour like a couple weeks ago. I was just like, But that's so funny. I can't believe she actually ate bird poop. She's gonna get like West Nile or something. Why is he laughing? She's gonna die. Don't you hate it when there's no more toothpaste and then the last of the toothpaste falls down the drain? Is she gonna get it? I want to know. I'm cliffhanged here. This is a cliffhanger. I need to know if she actually got the toothpaste out of the drain. If that were me, well, I probably wouldn't have done it with my sink because my sink is really, really gross. But if it were like a, you know, a clean sink, I would probably just get my toothbrush and just kind of scoop it up and start brushing my teeth still. Please help. Oh no. And then you drop like all your money. Ah! You just gave him a whole, don't you? Oh no. You just gave that homeless guy like $100. Oh my gosh. What do you do in that situation? Do you just be like, yeah, no. Okay, why are you carrying this much cash? Who carries cash on them anymore? I don't know anyone who like carries cash. He's checking her out. She drinks her coffee. She's gonna spill it. Oh, I called it! I called it! Oh, you thought you were being smooth, didn't you? Okay, so what's gonna... Oh, that's happened to me before. So let's see. We got the glasses, and then all of a sudden, he sits on them. Dang. Don't you hate it when someone sits on your glass? Okay, you're being over dramatic here. They can't be that bad. They look pretty good. Looks like you can't see. I love doing this tutorial. I'll just have my hands full of Cheeto dust, and I'll put my hand straight on her and then just wipe everything on her. That's what girlfriends are good for, right? You just wipe wipe your dirty hands on them. I bet the next thing that's gonna happen is she's gonna look down and she's gonna be like,
are you serious right now?
Yeah, there it is. Yeah, there it is. There's the face. She's like,
are you serious? Okay.
Oh my gosh. I can't say this has ever happened to me. Just flop on her. She just straight up broke. How did she break the freaking panhandle? How do you do that? Hands are so sturdy usually. Like, how do you break that? That had to have been intentional. Woo, 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 woo. So, I don't understand what's going on here. So she sits down on the toilet. Oh, of course. And then, of course, she gets a delivery. Don't you hate it when this happens to you? This happens to me all the time. Like, I'll be in the shower and then I'll have like a delivery and then like I'll miss them like that. It's such a bummer. I hate that. So we got toast, some jelly, we got some jam, and then it falls straight on its face. Honestly, if it were to fall on the regular side, I think it would have still been good. But since it fell on the jelly side, I probably wouldn't have eaten it. So she goes to pick up the... How do you lose that much trash? Okay, no, there had to have been a cut at the bottom of these. There's no way that like a couple of bottles and some like half-eaten salad containers would be that heavy to like fall through a bag. There's no way. She's like, dang. She's just gonna walk off? Dang, I feel like she was gonna walk off after that. So she's like, here's $1. And then, oh, it's 5 euros. So she has to find it now. What happens if she doesn't get it? Does she lose her money? She got it! I won. Whoa, she could have gotten $100 more. She was swindled. She was swindled and tricked. I would be so mad. How could they swindle and trick her like this? I feel like most of this video, this girl has been like on the toilet, and that's not very family friendly, guys. So, no tampon. I'm sorry, but I can't relate to this one. And then no toilet paper. What do you do? Honestly, I want to know what people do in that situation. Well, I guess I really don't want to know what happens in that situation. So we got the little salad, and then we got all that salt. All that salt on your salad. Is it good? What's good? I guess you could say that she's real salty now. Okay, I'll stop. So she is eating the Cheeto. Is she gonna get it back? She got him back! Woo! She got those Cheetos all over him. Just have the cats eat the food off the ground. It'll clean up itself, don't worry. Don't you hate it when a random soccer ball just flies out of the air and hits you in the face? And then a super attractive guy comes out and he's like, hey. And then he's like, whoa. And then she's like, hello. And then something embarrassing is gonna happen, watch. I already know it. What's gonna happen? Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, this is the moral of the story. It sucks to feel unlucky, but sometimes your bad luck can turn into happiness. Aww, that's so sweet. Thanks for teaching us this lesson, 5-minute crafts. Oh, that's so great. I love it when that happens, don't you? She's like, oh my gosh, what do I do in this situation? And then it goes. Wow. Like, you couldn't have stopped it before it exploded. So we got our eggs. Wait, who boils eggs like that? Wait, I totally thought that these eggs, I thought she cracked them into the, whoa, who's that? Don't you hate it when your egg breaks? Apparently if you use like vinegar, like it'll stop it from doing that. That's a 5-minute craft hack that I learned. Where's all my spinach? Where did it go? And then on the, what kind of sandwich is that? I've never seen bread like that before. She's crying. Oh, there's some spaghetti. Don't you hate it when you drain your spaghetti and then it all falls down the drain? Toast. Why is my toast cooked? Too soon? Put it up a notch and then too burnt. Too late. Do you guys like your toast burnt or do you guys like it just barely golden brown? I kind of like it just barely cooked, honestly. She's just distracted on the phone. No. No, 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 no. Bacon does not just catch fire like that. That does not happen. That's happened to me. The can tab, the pull tab just falls off. Dang, they went through so many pull tabs to make this video. Hello, friend, here's a present. And here is your cake. Just kidding, it's on the top of the box. Yes? Is good? Is good? Dude, that's happened to me so many times. Like, especially with salt. The whole salt thing will come out and then I'll have all this super salty food. I know she put pepper on it.
But she's real salty.
I know I already used that joke, but you know the rules of threes. You can use a joke up to 3 times before it's not funny anymore. So we got some jelly, some jam. Is she gonna drop it like the last person? And it happened again! I called it! Don't you hate it when it rips? Don't you hate it when it rips again? So she's like, whatever, just go on with your life. So, okay, so we're picking back up on the Cookie Chronicle, like the deformed cookie. Even foods can betray us, but we still love them. I mean, we have to love them, otherwise we'll die. It's like, whatever. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching the video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Look some of this fight right down there. I've never really done a video like this before, so if you do like it, make sure to tell me down in the comments down below. And if not, feel free to watch me do a bunch of life hacks and crafts. I have a whole playlist of me doing them right here. If you guys are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you guys want this shirt, some stickers, or any of my other merch, you can click right here. Okay guys, I love you so much. I'll see you guys again real soon. Peace, love, and Wi-Fi. Awkward ending. Okay, bye!